Welcome back to my channel. I'm Xavier Smith. Today is a video on the quadratic formula. So what is the quadratic formula used for? It is used for finding x-intercepts of an equation. So when y equals 0, we can use this formula. So this equation of the quadratic formula is x. So our x value of our intercept equals negative b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That looks like a lot, but it's not that complicated. You just have to memorize the formula. So our a is the coefficient of this x squared. So that'll be a 1 in this equation because we're doing y equals x squared plus 6x minus 3. It's just an arbitrary equation. So the coefficient of this x is a 1. So a is 1. Coefficient of this x squared is 1, sorry. The coefficient of this x is 6. So our b value is 6. And our c value is this negative 3, is this number without a variable attached to it. So this is used with quadratic equations, just to get that straight. So if we say 0 equals x squared plus 6x minus 3, what do we do, right? You can't factor that. So we're going to throw it in this quadratic formula here. Or you could complete the square, but I'm showing quadratic formula. So x equals, our b value is 6. So negative 6 plus or minus b squared. So that is just 6 squared minus 4 times a times c. All over 2 times a. Makes sense so far? So now all we do is simplify. Negative 6 plus or minus root 36 plus 12 over 2. Then x equals negative 6 plus or minus root 36 plus 12 is 48 over 2. And then we think, well, can we simplify this radical? Do you see any perfect squares that are in this 48? Well, I do. I see 4 times 12. But what is 4 times 12? Well, 12 is 4 times 3. So I see 4 times 4 times 3. So I really see 16 times 3. So what do we do here? Well, then we say x equals negative 6 plus or minus root 16 times 3 over 2. And then let's quickly erase some things. Cool. And then we bring this answer up. We simplify it. X equals negative 6 plus or minus 4 root 3 all over 2. So what we did here is we had a 16 times 3. So the root of 16 is 4. So we just took the 4 out. So now our x-intercepts would be negative 6 plus the 4 root 3 over 2 and, comma 0, and negative 6 minus 4 root 3 over 2, comma 0. So thank you for watching my quick video on quadratic equations. I hope that was helpful. Suggest new video ideas in the comments.